Revenge. That's what this was all about. Pure and simple revenge. They took my money in trade 18 and I wanted it back. I wanted a piece of them, and I got it, all but about $5. I know that's not professional, but you know, do as I say, not as I do. All right, I'm Dennis at KingMakerForex.com and orangequant.com. And after that salutary opening, you notice there are two trades here. I'm going to do them both at Thinkorswim. And for the authentication part, I will roll them together. That seems more efficient since I'm trading tighter patterns now. So you'll see the authentication and trade in the next video. It'll be, I don't know what I'll name it, but it'll be the video after this. Alright, here's how these trades unfolded. You know, they took $37.53 off of me on trade 18. And that was this yellow highlighted trade right here. And I was short on that trade, and in fact all three of these trades you see that are highlighted, I was short on all of them. And you're looking here at an hourly chart on the New Zealand US dollar pair. And the scale here, let me drag this across, is each division there is, that's 82, that's 20 pips, okay? So, we were here, this is the hourly, as I said, and I did figure something out about night vision. You remember I said it was about 80%, it looked to me like it was about 80% reliable, the night vision plots. Actually, you know, I figured something out. I'll just put it that way, and it's going to be in the Kingmaker package. One of the problems is, not really a problem, it's just something you have to know, that there are pairs which are negatively correlated to other pairs, so night vision behaves differently in one pair than it does another. I'll just kind of leave it at that. Okay, let's drill down to the 10-minute chart on this. And just for scale, I'll show you the scale over here. This blue candle, for example, the body of that blue candle is just about 10 pips high. Now I'm going to drag it across and show you the trades again. Remember, we've gone down to a 10-minute chart. And the time on this, if you're looking right here, that time was the 1 o'clock 10-minute candle. The next one over is the 110, and then the 120, and so on. Okay? So, we got in on this one somewhere, we got in at 3:05. You know, this is, you're looking at mountain time on my chart, not New York time. So when I say 110, I mean 3:10. New York time, we got in at 3:05 a.m. on this, so that would have been right about on this first candle right here. Okay, and we got in short, and then we got out, I guess somewhere down around here on that trade. Okay, and with that we recovered about $17 out of the 37 they took from us. We got in short again right about on this candle. That would have been the 5:30 New York time candle. We got in short and we got out, towards the bottom of that cycle, right about there, I guess. That would have been at 6:41 a.m. we got out. Wow, sorry, ragweed season, driving me crazy. And the reason for this first one is down here in night vision. You see the plot got free of the thicket there, and it got free of the thicket down there. And we learned that that is not the way this works on this pair, New Zealand dollar. And the reason I trade the New Zealand dollar so much now is because it's more bang for your buck. But of course that cuts both ways, win or lose. Anyway, like I say, it was a night fight, and at one point I was really down about $50 on this. But I could see certain things going on, like Emerald here was about to turn. So I hung on and we got out pretty green on that. Now by this time I'm trying to figure out why night vision keeps tricking me on these short trades. So I read Kingmaker multiplier on the next trade, and I got in on this 10-minute candle right here because multiplier was really diverging away from its signal line like that in a negative divergence way. So I didn't take nearly as bad a roasting as I did before. Of course, now I have figured out what's going on with night vision, as I said. So anyway, got out down around here somewhere. I'll tell you exactly where. That would have been at 6:41 a.m., which is right about on this candle here. Okay. Yeah, I was out 6:41 a.m. New York time. So we were at 12:49 before all this started with this yellow right here, and we lost 37 bucks. And then we picked up some more and some more, and we're now back to 12:45. We're about $4 short of where we were, so we're basically up 24.5% again. It was a knife fight, and we will see you next time. Now that we know what's going on, I expect to get a lot better. Well, these trials are good. You know, it helps me add things to Kingmaker so people understand what's going on when they get the package. I'm Dennis, KingMakerForex.com. It is the 12th of September. These trades took place on the night of the 11th to the 12th, if you're looking that up. And make sure you look at the next video, which is going to authenticate it over at oanda.com.